Hello dear parents and students. The CBSE board examination countdown has just begun, and we know the challenges that you're facing. Finishing your syllabus on time, revising effectively, or mastering the techniques to write the perfect answers. Adding to all this is one more hurdle: time management. You may know the answer, but if you're not able to present those answers in the given time frame, those marks will slip away. What's the solution? Few simple steps. You introduce your concept in 1 or 2 lines, then you unpack the concept step by step in the form of pointers, and you conclude it with a concise statement, leaving a lasting impression. Do you want to be part of such exam techniques? Then join us in our 4-hour CBSE Board Exam Success Workshop, where we are going to help you with strategies to solve your math problems faster. We are going to teach you techniques so that you can remember those dates and events more effectively in social sciences, with critical concepts of sciences broken down into simpler steps, and helping you with those language skills so that you can ace full marks. All this hosted by Stork International School on 8th of February from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. at a course fee of Rs 99. See you soon. Seats are limited. Register right now.